The COVID-19 pandemic has brought an unprecedented crisis upon the world and severely impacted all areas of daily life, including an extremely heavy toll on the world's economy and businesses. As society gradually attempts to return to a more normal life, cleaning and disinfecting facility services are playing a pivotal role in coordinating the reopening of America. Built on the pillars of trust, reliability, and expertise, JanPro has evolved into the brand leader in commercial cleaning over the past 30 years. Its proprietary cleaning processes provide a balanced approach in line with recommendations from the Centers for Disease Control for the most trusted commercial cleaning, disinfecting, and facility preparation in the age of COVID-19. Trust the reliability, leadership, innovation, and expertise offered when you partner with JanPro. To learn how to get started with JanPro Commercial Cleaning, visit jan-pro.com.